Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. I am back again with the third video of same chapter, chapter 1, naming India our motherland. In second video, I concluded this chapter. Now in the third video of chapter 1, I will discuss MCQs, fill in the blanks and question answers. So Section A, MCQ. First, India's population is the second largest in the world. Now coming to question second, is the seventh largest country in the world. So India would be the correct option. Now is situated at the head of India. So Jammu Kashmir would be the correct answer. There are two groups of islands which are also a part of India. Now coming to the state government govern the states. Okay. Now New Delhi is called the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Okay. Now coming to B section, fill in the blanks. India is a vast land. Okay. So you need to fill it with the appropriate word. So vast would be the appropriate word. Second question, India is bounded by the Himalayas in the north. So Himalayas would be the appropriate word. Kanyakumari makes the southernmost tip of the mainland area. So you need to fill it with the appropriate word Kanyakumari. So India is divided into smaller areas which are called states and union territories, right? Kohima is the capital of Nagaland, and 6. Silvassa is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. That's how section B is completed too. Now coming to C section. Write true and false. Okay, so statements are given. Some statements are true, whereas some statements are false. You need to find it out which statement is true and which statement is false. First is, people of different religions can be found in India. That is true. There are 28 states and 6 union territories in India. This sentence is not, it is incorrect. New Delhi is the National Capital Territory of Delhi. That is correct. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Okay, that is correct. The Indian Ocean is named after the country India. That is correct too. America is one of the neighboring countries of India. This is incorrect. Now, where is India located? Okay, so these are the questions. Okay, for your convenience, I know that it would be tough for you to go through the chapter and find out the answers of the questions. Okay, so what I have done for you, I have written the answers of this question on a piece of paper. Okay, and while shooting this video, you will look and you will find the answers written on a piece of paper which is written by me, and it will help you. Okay, you do not have to run here and there to find out the answer. So first question is, where is India located? And the answer is, India is located in south of Asia. Okay, now in which direction of India does Indian Ocean lie? Okay, so the answer would be south. Third question, name any 2 neighboring countries of India. So the answer would be Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Ranchi is the capital of which state? So answer would be Jharkhand. Okay. Now, which are the 2 states that have same capital? The answer would be Haryana and Punjab. Now, in how many physical divisions India is divided? The answer would be 5 physical divisions. Now coming to E section, what do you understand by physical divisions of India? The answer would be, physical divisions of India refers to distinct landforms of India. They are plains, hills, mountains, a desert available in India. Now question 2, write a short note on Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean is named after India, and it is the 3rd largest of the world's oceanic divisions. Now coming to third question, what do you understand by political divisions of India? Okay, so political divisions of India refers to a states and UTs of India. It refers to a state and central government of India. Okay, now write the name of neighboring countries of India. The answer would be Pakistan, Bhutan and Sri Lanka. Okay, Now question 5, write the name of any 4 states of India and their capitals also. Okay, 4 states: Bihar, the capital will be Patna; Uttar Pradesh, capital is Lucknow; third, Karnataka, capital is Bangalore; Maharashtra, the capital is Mumbai. Now coming to question 6, write the union territories and their capitals. Okay, so first union territory is Puducherry, capital is Puducherry; Chandigarh, again capital is Chandigarh. Now question 7, write the name of India's neighboring countries. Again the answer would be same, Pakistan and Bhutan. Okay, so this is how this chapter is completed. I hope you must have understood the entire chapters along with the question answers. This is all for today. Go through this question answers and topics again and read it. Okay, that's how you will understand the concept. Okay, so keep studying, keep working hard, and I believe you will understand each and every concept very easily. You just have to study. That's it. This is all for today. Have a blessed day.